So, hindi naman talaga nagmamatter kung sa PH man yung client mo or sa US or anywhere in the world. As long as you can get their certificate of good standing, then you're good to go. Ang nagmamatter lang talaga is if sa Spain si client mo. Kasi at most na dapat yung total income mo, 20% lang yung galing from inside of Spain. So, if your client or your main client that is like 100% isa lang siya na client mo, tapos galing siya sa Spain, you cannot apply for the digital nomad visa. But if you have clients, like let's say you have 5 clients and one of them is a Spain-based client, and itong Spain-based client na to is yung business niya sa Spain din naka-base. Kasi sometimes, like Americans would also move to Spain. So maybe your client mo naka-base lang siya sa Spain pero yung business niya is naka-base pa rin sa America, then that's fine. Pero don't forget na dapat hindi tataas sa 20% ng total income mo is galing sa Spain. So yun lang naman. But other than that, it won't really pose any problem kung sa Philippines man yung client mo or sa US. Hope that video helps and thank you so much for watching. Ciao!